Bring your mind back to the goal. Find a comfortable place to sit, and as you get ready, make the conscious decision to be present here and now. Leave everything else out. Choose any place or any moment, just not the moment while you're driving. Remember that driving requires your undivided attention. Close your eyes gently. Relax your muscles and calm down your breathing. Take a long and relaxing breath in and out. Your energy settles. Your muscles release the tension. Your neck softens. Your breathing slows down. Inhale deeply and exhale all the air. Instruct your mind to pay attention to one and only one thing at a time. Right now, the focus is the breathing process. Nothing else matters right now. We'll start counting down from 5 to 0. Just observe how your mind calms down with each step. 5. Your mind receives a message that its mission today, at this very moment, is to relax. The order is very clear, and it must be carried out immediately. 4. Your mind resists the idea. Notice the need to rebel and get distracted by other things. Simply observe. 3. Your mind understands that it needs to relax now. It accepts that you are the boss. 2. Your mind is willing to collaborate, although it doesn't really know how to relax. You tell your mind to simply shut down the system for now, leaving only the emergency equipment on. 1. Your mind starts releasing tension, thoughts, worries. No more analysis, no more assumptions, no more judgment. 0. Your mind has only one task during this meditation: to follow the recording and the instructions. Take a deep breath in and out. Inhale, relaxation. Exhale, relaxation. Pay attention to your breathing. Again, notice how easy it feels. No effort, just flowing in and out. Now, from this state of full awareness and calm, look for that spot where you find your desires and your motivation. That place inside of you where your determination resides. Observe it with your inner eye. Imagine you're using a magnifying glass, and now this place feels so big. You can actually fit perfectly inside of it. So you decide to step in. The moment you do, you start feeling like your whole being is firing up. So much motivation and determination. You are really eager to get things done. It feels almost like electricity. Identify the sensations. Feel them traveling all along your energy channels. It is a river of sensations that make you want to take action. What is the first thing on your list? What will you get done first? This is the moment to set your priorities. Make a mental list of what's important. What's the number one priority at the moment? Every big dream starts with the first small step. And from then on, it's one small step after another. So, what moves you to keep taking those steps? What is this dream or project going to give you? Imagine a map leading you to your goal. The place where you're at right now is the right place today. A small step later, you'll be closer to your goal. And how long will that take? Sometimes it may feel like it's gonna take forever, and that may take your motivation away. But does time really matter? How about letting go of the need for this to happen at a specific time or date? Focus on your goal and what it will bring to your life. How you will feel when you get there. Focus on each individual step that is necessary to get you to the end. Will distractions get you to your goal faster? Not really, right? The opposite. So what can you do to keep your distractions at a minimum? You can remember to come back to this place inside of you, to connect with your motivation. You can let every fiber of your being be filled up with motivation and desire. Remember why you want to reach this goal. And also remember that distractions can happen when you forget your motivation. And that is okay. Remind yourself every day of your why. When you're aligned with your dreams or your goals, distractions are actually not a problem because you can easily find your way back. When you are aligned with your dream or goal, you are allowed to have a few distractions because you are sure they won't keep you from taking the necessary action. Repeat in your mind, distractions are not a problem for me. I focus on one small step at a time. Breathe in, focus. Breathe out, focus. Bring your goal to your mind with all the details. All the advantages. Picture it clearly. Feel the sensations. And with that clear picture in your mind, decide what the right step is for you at the moment. Picture yourself doing what needs to be done today. Come back to your breathing. Breathe in and out consciously for a few seconds. And now, slowly begin to become aware of your body and the place where you're at. When you feel ready, you may open your eyes.